We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the bit holder 1/4 socket gifts for men by Keychain. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description using it supports the channel. The bit holder 1/4 socket keychain by Keychain is designed to address a common frustration among handymen, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike, keeping drill bits organized, accessible, and secure. This tool organizer fits most 1/4 inch hex shank drills and sockets, making it compatible with a wide range of electric drivers, handheld drivers, and drills. Its universal compatibility ensures that whether you are a contractor, carpenter, electrician, mechanic, or simply someone who enjoys tackling home improvement projects, this bit holder is likely to fit seamlessly into your workflow. One of the standout features of this bit holder is its construction. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it is engineered to resist rust and corrosion, providing durability and longevity even in demanding environments. The material choice ensures that the holder remains lightweight while still offering the robustness required for daily use. Users have commented on its sturdy build, noting that it holds their most used bits firmly and reliably. The bit holder is capable of carrying drill tools weighing up to 3.3 pounds, thanks to its strong ball-locking clasp. This mechanism not only secures the bits in place, but also allows for quick and easy access, which is particularly valuable during overhead work or in situations where efficiency is critical. The keychain design is both practical and innovative. It allows users to clip the holder onto a belt loop, tool bag, or backpack, ensuring that drill bits are always within reach. Many reviewers have highlighted the convenience of this feature, emphasizing how it eliminates the need to dig through pockets or toolboxes in search of the right bit. The ability to carry up to 6 different quick-release bits means that users can handle a variety of tasks without interruption, streamlining their workflow and saving valuable time on the job. In terms of usability, the bit holder excels in providing a straightforward and effective solution for bit organization. The pull-out bushing allows for quick, one-handed replacement of bits, further enhancing its practicality. This is especially appreciated by users who frequently switch between tasks or require different bit sizes for various applications. The ergonomic design ensures that the holder is comfortable to use and does not add unnecessary bulk or weight to the user's gear. The product is also positioned as an ideal gift for men who seem to have everything, making it a popular choice for occasions like Christmas, Father's Day, birthdays, and other holidays. Its unique combination of functionality and thoughtful design has made it a favorite among gift givers looking for something both practical and innovative. The packaging is attractive and gift-ready, adding to its appeal as a stocking stuffer or special present. Despite its many strengths, some users have noted areas for improvement. The included carabiner, which is intended to hold all 6-bit holders together, has been described as subpar by several reviewers. While it serves its purpose, it may not be as durable as the bit holders themselves. Fortunately, replacing the carabiner with a higher quality alternative is a simple fix that does not detract significantly from the overall value of the product. Another point of contention among users is the perceived material of the bit holders. While the manufacturer states that they are made from aluminum alloy, a few reviewers have expressed skepticism, suggesting that the holders feel more like hard plastic. This discrepancy may be due to the lightweight nature of the alloy or the finish applied to the product. Regardless, most users agree that the holders perform well in practice, securely locking bits in place and withstanding regular use. The bit holder 1/4 socket keychain has received consistently high ratings across various platforms, with an average customer review of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on over 120 ratings. Users frequently describe the product as handy, convenient, and indispensable for anyone who regularly uses drills or screwdrivers. Many have expressed surprise at how much the bit holder improved their workflow, with some stating that they wish they had purchased it years earlier. The ability to keep bits organized and readily accessible has proven to be a game changer for both professionals and hobbyists. In terms of performance, the bit holder delivers on its promises. It holds bits securely, preventing loss or misplacement, and allows for rapid changes between tasks. The ball-bearing braking system ensures that bits stay in place until intentionally removed, providing peace of mind during transport and use. The holder's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry without adding unnecessary bulk, and its compatibility with most 1/4 inch hex shank drills and sockets ensures broad utility. The product's versatility is another key selling point. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, from construction sites to home workshops. Whether you are assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or performing routine maintenance, the bit holder streamlines the process by keeping essential tools within easy reach. Its universal design means that it can be used with a variety of drill and screwdriver bits, making it a valuable addition to any tool collection. For those concerned about after-sales support, Keychain offers a friendly, no-hassle satisfaction warranty. Customers can contact the manufacturer with any questions or concerns and take advantage of professional refund and return services if needed. This commitment to customer satisfaction adds an extra layer of confidence for buyers, ensuring that any issues can be resolved quickly and efficiently. The bit holder 1/4 socket keychain is not just a practical tool, but also a thoughtful gift for anyone who values organization and efficiency in their work. Its combination of durability, convenience, and versatility makes it a standout product in the tool organizer category. While there are minor drawbacks, such as the quality of the included carabiner and questions about the material, these are outweighed by the product's overall performance and usefulness. In summary, the bit holder 1/4 socket keychain by Keychain is a highly recommended accessory for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its robust construction, secure locking mechanism, and user-friendly design make it an essential addition to any toolkit. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from users underscores its value as a tool organizer that truly delivers on its promises. If you are looking for a practical, affordable, and effective solution for keeping your drill bits organized and accessible, this product is well worth considering. Don't forget to check the link in the description to support the channel and see the latest pricing and availability. If you have experience with this bit holder, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed choice.